Have you ever thought about making money through selling photos? Yes, you can make money online by selling photos. In this video, I'm going to disclose to you 6 best photo selling apps. If you are out there and you have that amazing talent of photography, you can snap amazing photos, then this is the right video for you. In this video, I'm simply going to tell you the best photo selling apps that are out there, and you can simply download those apps whether you are on Android or iOS or on Windows. You can simply download those apps on your phone, on your tablet, or on your computer and start selling your photos right away. If you haven't subscribed to LifeVersity, please pause right there and smash that subscribe button for me. It comes at no additional cost on your side. Remember to turn on the notification bell in order for you to be notified whenever I put out another new video like this one. So let's jump right into the video. I know you have always desired to discover the easiest way to make money online in order to stop worrying about how to make ends meet. In this video, I'll simply disclose to you 6 best photo selling apps that will help you to start selling your photos using your smartphone. And here is the first app. The first and biggest photo selling app is called Agora Images. You can download that app on iOS, or if you are on Android or on your computer. And Agora Images is simply the biggest photo selling app that I can think of right now. And Agora Images comes with very many contests. You can simply download the app and sign up. A very simple process. Upon sign up, you can simply upload your photos and be able to sign up your photos to different contests on Agora Images. And if your photo is nominated or wins the contest, you will be able to be paid prizes in terms of points and even cash. There are 4 levels on Agora Images. If you are just joining, you will join under the junior level. And for you to reach the junior level, you need to accumulate at least from 0 to 5,000 stars. So when you are joining Agora Images, you'll begin as a junior. And then we have advanced. At the advanced level, you will be needed to accumulate from 5,000 stars to around 100,000 stars. And then from advanced level, we have the pro level, which you'll need to accumulate from 100,000 stars to 250,000 stars. And lastly, we have the masters level, which will be required to accumulate 250,000 stars and above. With Agora Images, you can sell the same image to different people, and your images are protected by a watermark, so you can be sure there won't be anybody to steal your idea. So all you need to do to start making money on Agora Images is to ensure you download the app and be able to sign up and start snapping. The second most amazing photo selling app is called Foap. And Foap simply comes with amazing features, including PayPal integration. So if you cash out through PayPal, you can be sure that you can be paid via your favorite payment method, that's PayPal. And Foap, what it simply does, allows you to upload your photos and be able to sell them online. So for every photo you snap and upload on Foap, Foap will sell it at approximately $10. Out of the $10, you get 50% as the photographer. So you can be sure for every photo you make, you can be able to earn a cool $5. So for instance, if in a day you snap 10 photos and upload them, you can make a cool $50 out of the Foap app. So ensure you check the Foap app out. It is the second best. And apart from allowing you to monetize your photos, you can also be able to participate in various contests, and you can upload any number of pictures. It has unlimited uploads. So ensure you check out Foap and start snapping and selling your photos for cold hard cash. The third amazing photo selling app is called Snapwire, and what Snapwire simply allows you is to connect with the brands and businesses across the globe. And all you need to do is to download the app from either Google Play Store or your iOS store, or if you are using Windows, to download and install it on your laptop or your desktop. And upon downloading, you simply sign up, and you can now start taking photos and uploading them on your Snapwire app. And you can earn in different ways. You can participate in contests and be able to earn points and even win cash prizes. At the same time, you can be able to sell your photos directly via the Snapwire app. So ensure you check out Snapwire. It's one of the best photo selling apps on the internet right now, and be sure to make some few bucks using the Snapwire app. The fourth most amazing photo selling app is called Dreamstime, and what Dreamstime simply allows you is to make money while doing what you love, that is by taking photos. And the most unique thing about Dreamstime is that it allows you to receive real-time sales notification. That means when your photo sells even one, you will be able to be notified immediately that there's some money that has come in. And another thing, it also allows you to have photo statistics. You can access statistics of every photo, the number of clicks, the number of views, the number of people who have gotten interested in that photo. And for that, you can be able to make adjustments in your photo taking in order for you to determine the types of photos that people love in order to increase your sales. And then thirdly, you earn between $12 to $25 per photo, and out of those bucks, 50% is yours. So for instance, if your photo sales at $25, you can be able to make a cool $12.5 out of it. And if you snap, for instance, even 20 photos in a day, that's a cool amount of cold hard cash there for you. So ensure you check out the Dreamstime photo app. It comes with very many amazing features, and you can be able to simply download it on your Android or iOS or Windows, install, sign up, and be able to start snapping and selling your photos. And now we come to the fifth most amazing photo selling app, and it's called EfeEm or EfeEm. It depends on how you pronounce it, but this app is one of those outstanding photo selling apps you wanna check out. You don't want to miss on interacting with a lot of creative people like you, creative photographers for that matter, and creative artists. So EfeEm allows you to not only connect with the creative photographers like you globally, but also to sell your photos. So all you need to do is to download the EfeEm app from your Android or Google Play Store or iOS as well. Also, you can get it if you have a Windows smartphone or your laptop for that matter, or desktop. Ensure you install it, and out of every photo sale you make, 50% is yours to keep. So ensure you check out the EfeEm app. It's one of the most outstanding photo selling apps that you don't want to miss out on your smartphone. Last but not least, amazing photo selling app number 6 is called PhotoCash, and you can simply download the PhotoCash app from your iOS store or Google Play Store, or even if you have a Windows smartphone or your laptop or desktop for that matter. And what PhotoCash allows you to do is to sell every photo you take. Once you upload your photo, you set the price, and the most amazing thing is that PhotoCash comes with PayPal integration, so you can be able to integrate your PayPal and be paid the moment there is a photo sale. So ensure you check out PhotoCash. Is one of those most outstanding photo selling apps you want to install on your phone, in order to ensure at least you turn your smartphone into an asset and you make that cold hard cash for survival. So guys, that's it for this video. If you got massive value from this video, please ensure you hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, like this video, and please share with all your friends and families, and even with your enemies. Be able to share this amazing YouTube channel called LifeVersity, and most importantly this video, encourage them to subscribe to check it out, because here at LifeVersity we disclose to you amazing ideas and creative ideas on how to make money online. The internet is a blessing, and here at LifeVersity we are just here to open your eyes and to disclose to you whatever you need to do in order to make that extra cash online. See you in the next video, guys. May God bless you.